time to discuss everyone's favorite asset, gold. You know what I'm saying? Obviously last week if you watched the market breakdown, I gave entry here, stop loss below here, up towards this high, even drew it out for you, and boom, perfect. Didn't go all the way up to the high, which was 4200. It ended up dipping below first, but got to 4198, you can't complain. You know what I mean? Multiple entries along the way. Dip below and then they run up. Gold loves to do stuff like that. But yeah. Now moving on. Let's look at gold now. Where are we right now? Let's just skip forward. Right? Where? Oh my goodness, fuck me. It's running off. Japanese interest rates are coming out today. So we're gonna see how that plays out. That's coming out tonight at 7. So the way gold's moving, it's coming up to run up to these highs. So this is where I'm interested in price. If I want to set up like this, something similar to this. 1 second. If I get something similar to this, then I'm happy. Nice head and shoulders, easy money straight down into the low. Right? One second. Sorry. Yeah, so this run up is mental. Mental run up, no pullback, no retest, just off. Alright, so probably news that came out today. Let's have a butchers. Yeah, jobs data. Yeah, and that's why. Jobs data, US jobs data has come out weak. So gold's flying. All in line for Japanese interest rates to be announced, because I think that's going to be something that puts the price of gold back down. Okay, so I'm a radar up here, and I'd be looking for some shorts. So I'd expect something like that. You know what I mean? And I'd be looking to short here, or if I get the second leg up here, you know what I mean? Depending on how that second leg forms, because it could be a Quasimodo and form up there. Do you get what I mean? Where it will be a trend line, head and shoulders instead of just a normal horizontal head and shoulders. But yeah, gold could be pushing up about 4250, nice round number, nice level of resistance. Price really and truly hasn't taken this stop, right? So the liquidity from this whole move hasn't been wiped out, right? We had this dead cat bounce here, but the liquidity hasn't been wiped. This area also hasn't been retested, so I'm quite certain that we're gonna push up here, only to get above for a little bit and then break back down. We could even see gold do something cheeky, which is like push up to 4370, 4380, and then just melt off. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up back at 4300. So I'm looking out for that. Nothing on for right now. Unless you want to get long here, this wouldn't be a bad place to get long if you do get that opportunity. Yeah, this is reconfirmed support from there, hasn't really been tested. Nice big FVG here, so if you do get that, that would be an interesting place to get long. Stop below that low, and then just a pushback up to that high. Yeah, so that'll be 2.2 out anyway. Right, so that's what I see for gold now. I'm waiting for price to get up to into these levels here, where, as I mentioned, I want a head and shoulders to set up, and then price to go short from there. You know what I'm saying? And then that's how we'll run this play. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that, hope you guys learned something. I'm going to do some other crypto pairs and some currency pairs as well, so watch out for those. Peace.